Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be unboxing Maono AU-400 lavalier microphone. So this is one of the best microphones for indoor vlogging and for motovlogging. It fits very well with GoPros and action cameras. So you can see the specifications here. Let's unbox it. So inside you get this nice looking pouch. That's it. And the best part is you get this TRRS to TRS converter. And you get two clips. And here is the microphone. .5mm jack in the microphone. User manual. So this will be required if you're going to use it for recording in cameras, DSLR or GoPros. It is one of the best budget mics you can get under 500 rupees. Now currently the audio you are hearing is from my phone. I haven't connected any microphone. Now let's test the AU-400. Now the audio you are hearing is from the Maono AU-400 microphone. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the audio quality. Now back to the mobile microphone. So the pricing it is $699, but in Amazon you can get it for $399 rupees only. For $399, this product is absolutely worth it, in my opinion. And for phones which do not have this 3.5mm jack connector, you need to get this type of 3.5mm to Type-C connectors. And while buying this, I would recommend to get good quality one. Otherwise the output will be bad. So I am using this, and with this the output is not great. You can hear a lot of distortions. So you can either buy Apple one. Apple one is really good. So in my upcoming videos, I will be showing you how to install this mic inside the helmet for motovlogs and motovlogging setup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.